In 2019, scientists took gut bacteria from humans suffering from severe depression and transplanted it into healthy mice. Within days, the healthy mice started showing exact symptoms of depression and anxiety. It proved something radical. Your mood is not just in your head. Your gut helps shape it. One daily habit can break it. We used to think the brain gave all the orders, but a huge information highway connects your gut directly to your brain. It's called the vagus nerve. Traffic is one-sided. For every message the brain sends down, the gut sends 9 messages back up. Who is sending those messages? Your microbiome. Trillions of bacteria living in your digestive tract. They are the actual chemical factories producing your neurotransmitters. But here is the part almost everyone gets wrong about serotonin, the happiness chemical. Over 90% of your body's serotonin isn't made in your brain. It's manufactured in your gut by those bacteria. If they aren't fed right, production shuts down. And this is where it gets dangerous, because most people are actively destroying their bacteria right now. Highly processed foods, artificial sweeteners, and unnecessary antibiotics can wipe out the factories that help you feel calm and happy. Worse, bad bacteria take over. And these bad bacteria send stress signals up the vagus nerve. Your brain registers anxiety, but the actual fire is in your stomach. And this is where it gets strange, because the fix isn't just taking a generic probiotic pill. A clinical trial found that feeding existing good bacteria reduced anxiety more effectively than swallowing new bacteria in a capsule. The good bacteria need specific food to survive and produce serotonin. That food is called prebiotic fiber. Without it, they starve, and your mood crashes. Remember that daily habit destroying your gut connection? It's starting your day with a zero-fiber, high-sugar breakfast. Like pastries or sweetened cereals, it feeds the anxiety bacteria. Here is exactly how you rebuild your gut-brain axis, starting with your very next meal. Step 1. Diversity is everything. Aim to eat 30 different types of plants every week. Nuts, seeds, beans, vegetables, fruits. Different bacteria need different fibers. Step 2. Add fermented foods. Just 1 spoonful of sauerkraut, kimchi, or plain kefir a day provides a massive dose of postbiotics. These are the exact chemicals that soothe the brain. Step 3. Protect the vagus nerve. Deep, slow breathing before meals physically activates the vagus nerve. It tells your gut it's safe to digest and produce serotonin. In a second, I'll show you the one hidden ingredient that actively severs the gut-brain connection. It's emulsifiers. Found in almost all creamy packaged foods, these chemicals literally strip away the protective mucus lining of your gut, causing immediate inflammation and brain fog. Your brain listens to your gut every second. Feed the right bacteria, and they can support peace and focus.